2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, fog lights, compass, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.